Picture this: your employees are buying supplies off contract, your AP team is drowning in paper, your sales team miscalculates rebates, and your compliance is manual. And your master data has no governance, and your finance team is spending weeks just trying to close the book. The real cost is maverick spending, duplicate payments, missed rebates, tax penalties, and zero time visibility. But here is what is changing. Modern organizations have the possibility of connecting their entire technology ecosystem, from procurement to payment, from order to cash, with intelligence baked into every step. Technologies like Ariba guided buying, Vim, Vistax, Vortex, MDG, Celonis, and S4HANA Universal Journal are no longer working in isolation. They are palpably an intelligent, self optimizing ecosystem. Let's look at some of the key technologies. Think of this as your enterprise nervous system, each component having a specific role. The foundation, S4HANA Universal Journal, your single source of financial truth. The financial hub where everything converges. One version of truth, real time, with complete audit lineage. MDG, Master Data Governance, ensures that clean data flows and governance. The quality gatekeeper ensures customer, vendor, material data is accurate before it flows to any downstream system. Let's look at the procurement layer, Ariba guided buying, streamlining a user friendly shopping experience with policy enforcement. It's a consumer grade purchasing that enforces budgets, policies, prefers suppliers automatically. Employee loves the experience and finance loves the control. Vendor invoice management, automatic invoice processing and validation, capturing invoice from any source, email, portals, EDI, validate them against POs, route exceptions, and eliminate 7 to 80% of the manual work. The revenue and the tax layer. Vistax, managing complex pricing, rebate, and trade promotion. Vertex Tax Engine, real time calculation across all jurisdictions, managing thousands of jurisdictions in real time, automatically updating when rate changes, ensure compliance without manual intervention. Document reporting and compliance, automated audit trails, tax, legal, regulatory, and compliance. And lastly, the intelligence layer. Celonis discover bottlenecks, optimize processes continuously, and SAP BTP, which automates workflows and tasks. So let's briefly look at two data flows showing how this works in practice. The procurement journey first. Employee opens Ariba guided buying, sees approved catalogs with negotiated prices, creates a requisition. MDG validates vendor master data. Purchase order data is created. Vendor ships, invoice arrives at Vim, automatically matched to PO and receipt, and Vertex calculates tax rates and tax recoveries. It's posted to Universal Journal. Solonis identifies that catalog purchase process 5x faster. Result: 85% reduction in Maverick spending and 80% less manual invoice work. Let's look at the sales journey now. Customer places an order, MDG validates customer master data, Vistex applies volume discounts and rebates agreements, Vertex determines sales tax again, order is fulfilled, revenue posted to Universal Journal with accurate accruals, and Vistax tracks rebate obligations. Celonis monitors code to cash cycle times, and compliance tools generate audit trails. Results: zero pricing errors, 95% rebate accuracy, and real time profitability. What's the key insight? When Celonis discovers that invoice with complete PO data processed in 2 days versus 12 days, it triggers improvement in Ariba guided buying to require a better specification. This is a self optimizing operation, a very good example of how systems can come together. These technological advances are not theoretical anymore. Business impact is huge, and organizations implementing this ecosystem see a paradigm shift. Strategic finance. Number one, your team stops chasing invoices and start analyzing business performance. Number two, risk mitigation. Compliance is built into workflows and not bolted on later. Number three, cash flows. Early payment discounts capture rebates collected and working capital optimized. Number four, agility. New regulations, tax change, the ecosystem adapts across all systems automatically. And number five, transparency. From employee purchase to financial estate, complete visibility. So when your CFO asks, what's your exposure on customer rebates? The answer is instantly accurate. So now let's take this lens and apply it to future. What could future look like? Future would be AI power. Just imagine. Ariba recommends supplier based on peer behavior. Vim predicts duplicate invoices before they can post. Vistex forecasts rebate liabilities with machine learning. Celonis prescribes optimal process in real time. And Vertex can improve your tax determination accuracy and deductibility. Future would be self-healing when Celonis spots a bottleneck in voice processing, automatically triggers workflow adjustment in Vim and updates the requirement and Ariba guided buying. We will have a unified governance, one data quality standard, one financial truth, one intelligence layer, and one compliance framework, all working together. So here is my point for those who can understand this complete technology landscape isn't about tools. It's about creating an intelligent, self optimizing organism which shall only work when we build ecosystems. When your employees shop through Ariba with confidence, invoice flows through Vim automatically, pricing is managed by Vistex, taxes are handled by Vertex, and data quality is ensured by master data. Everything posts to a universal journal in real time, and a tool can continuously optimize the entire flow. You don't just have a better system, instead, a system which reveals insight when they see the data flowing through. So let me close by saying the future will belong to ecosystems, revealing real insights through data flowing through these technologies. This shall produce the real competitive advantage which organizations today are looking, but all shall not happen without experts who spot those opportunities. The future of enterprise finance is connected, intelligent, and self optimizing, and it's happening right now. Thanks for watching, and watch out for my next video in the finance transformation series.